Yes, you can just see this. So beautiful. When I liked it. So this is seating area. You can have a seat here, have a cup of coffee. This is a small canteen inside, I can say. You can see, but let's see after going in. These are the organic waste recycling center. You can just see it's written over there. Organic waste recycling center. There are different kinds of water plants even. No need to buy, I hope so. Yes, even kids can enjoy this place, I can say. Farm, greenery, family place, but nobody is here. Only we are there with Hishu baby. Yes, enjoying the place. He is enjoying. There are fishes inside. There are the fishes inside this little pond, I can say. See, you can also see the small fishes over here. So Hishu wants to get down in the water, but it's not a good idea to get down. Look at him. He's so naughty today. Naughty boy. No. As you can see, there are lots of birds. And even my one of the favorite bird is here. So you can just see white lotus or water lily. And I will show you one of my favorite bird. That is a peacock. Yes, peacock is here. The one is sitting here. It's a female peacock. Yes, this is a female peacock. You can just see. And this is the big one. And the peacock. This is the peacock. So peacock, 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 peacock is walking. We are also walking with it. Yes, it's ran away.